Aloha! This is Pete Jalbert from the Maui Real Estate team, checking in with our first ever video sneak peek of the Maui real estate statistics. Taking a look at the May 2013 stats. May was a strong month for Maui real estate sales. 105 home sales have been reported thus far, 140 condo sales thus far, and 18 land transactions thus far on the month. Looking at our chart here, you can see red representing the May 2013 numbers compared to blue in the May 2012 numbers. Home sales and condos strongly outpacing last year's numbers, with land sales up slightly. So the question becomes, why is the Maui real estate market that much stronger in May of 2013 than it was in May of 2012? What we're seeing in Maui isn't too different from what we're seeing in a lot of parts of the country. Case-Shiller just came out with their housing index. We're seeing double-digit appreciation around the U.S. The three strongest metropolitan areas for appreciation, up in the 20+% range, are all markets that feed into Maui. Phoenix, Las Vegas, San Francisco. Other housing markets that are recovering pretty strongly include Los Angeles, San Diego, Seattle, and Portland. All these West Coast cities produce Maui buyers. When feeder markets are strong, it helps boost the Maui market. Interest rates remain relatively close to historic lows. We're starting to see some upward pressure on rates, and that might actually be spurring a few other buyers into the market. People who are getting concerned that their opportunity to take advantage of these low rates is diminishing or is going away. They want to get in there and try to get a good loan while they can. The question then becomes, will we see current market conditions continue? On the supply side, it looks like things are going to remain pretty tight through the rest of the year. Low inventory levels should keep upward pressure on pricing as buyers remain competitive for the opportunities that are out there. We do still have some bank-owned inventory processing through the judicial foreclosure system that could provide some relief, but we just haven't seen it come out, and we don't have a firm time frame for it to hit the market. The other thing is, I know in other markets there have been institutional buyers who've been purchasing these properties before they come to market, and I've heard rumors that that's occurring on Maui. I just haven't seen any firsthand evidence. If that is in fact the case, that's just going to mean less inventory for local buyers who want to try to purchase some of these bank-owned homes. Isn't a whole lot of new construction coming in the pipeline that's going to provide relief. The only thing that I think will help out is as prices increase, that's going to entice some more sellers in the market. So over the longer term, as prices continue to go up, I think we're going to get more sellers and kind of get back to a little bit more of a normal market. Interest rates bear watching. If rates do increase, will we see a drop in buyers? We've certainly seen that in the past. We saw it in the last upmarket cycle around 2005 to 2006. Question is, with rates that much lower now, what's the threshold in which buyers start to step away from the market? And we just don't know on that. Overall economic conditions will also play a part. Current projections look for slow to moderate growth for the U.S. economy for the rest of the year. That being said, the global economic picture isn't quite as rosy. Of course, Europe is struggling considerably. If we see any big bumps or hiccups over there, that has the potential to further impact our economy and, of course, blunt some of the momentum in the housing market. What does this mean for buyers and sellers? Buyers should be aware that most parts or many parts of the Maui real estate market are quite competitive. If there are good opportunities out there, well-priced properties, it's not uncommon to have multiple offer situations. If you require financing for your purchase, you would best be served by going out and getting a pre-approval before you even start to look at properties. It really helps to have a pre-approval when you submit your offer. Many sellers will require it, and quite frankly, not having one could put you at a competitive disadvantage. Sellers, we are seeing that appreciation. Should be helping build back some of your equity, give you a little bit better positioning so that you could potentially sell your home. We'd certainly welcome the opportunity to give you an update on what your specific neighborhood dynamics are looking like and whether or not we might be a good fit for for the marketing and sale of your home. That about wraps up our very first installment or video installment of the sneak peek on Maui Real Estate Stats. We welcome your questions and feedback. Aloha.